Hey guys, and welcome back to Rick's Flix. Today is National Roller Coaster Day.
Yeah.
So we're gonna celebrate that at Busch Gardens doing, sing it with me, Nikki. Rick's Top 6 Party Time. Excellent.
Oh my god, I feel so stupid. Can you cut that?
Oh no, we're gonna keep that.
No,
and here let's go ahead and start this vlog right now. So, the plan for today, we're going to do the top 6 roller coasters at Busch Gardens Tampa. And this is a good park for roller coasters. They have a lot of big ones, a lot of fast ones. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay guys, we're going to start the day off with number 6 on our list, the Scorpion. It's kind of a big kid ride. Not quite fast and big as the other rides, but not quite a kiddie ride. Top speed is going to be 41 miles per hour. The length is 1,800 feet. It lasts about a minute and a half. There's one big inversion, one big loop here, and you're going to pull about 3.5 G's on that loop. Okay, Nikki, I sort of just got off the Scorpion.
Oh, what does that mean? Got
up to the front of the line and they closed it for inclement weather.
Oh no!
So that's how today is going to go.
Yeah.
Oh goodness. That's living in Florida with only outside rides. This is why a lot of the theme parks in Orlando, they have a mixture of inside rides and outside rides.
Yes, because you never know with Florida what you're gonna get. So is this wall coming through?
I don't know. The weather app was wrong, wasn't it?
Yeah, it said just cloudy today.
So I've actually had questions from you guys. Oh, but what weather like station or like website do we listen to? Right. None of them. They're never right.
Wrong.
Yep.
I think the best one though would be like to watch like the radar with
I guess so.
Storms coming through. You know, like, so I think that would be a good bet.
I don't know. I've stopped trying to plan my day around the weather systems and the weather predictions because, you know, I've tried this where we can't go today because it's going to rain, and then it's sunny.
Yes, yes.
And then it says it's going to like whatever, and it does the opposite. So I just go regardless now. And that's my advice to you. Just go to the theme park. Whatever happens is going to happen.
Yep, ride with it.
All right. Well, let's just walk over to the next one on our list. Maybe it'll be up and running by the time we get there.
All right.
So, Nikki, quite nice that they have some signs around here letting me know my day's gonna suck because of the weather.
Oh no. Let's try to be positive. We can get through this. We'll go between storms, right? We'll just have to hang out in Tampa.
Gotta roll with it, baby.
That's right.
Moving on to number 5 on our countdown, Kumba. Now this one's gonna take you 60 miles per hour. It is approximately 3,900 feet long. The duration is 2 minutes, 54 seconds. It's gonna have 7 inversions, and you're gonna pull 3.8 G's on this. Now because of these 7 inversions, I'm gonna take this one off, and Nikki's gonna do it. Nikki, just got off Kumba. Thanks for taking the hit for me. All those inversions, you know I can't take it.
Yeah, I think I have shaken baby syndrome. That is a rough ride. Oh my god. Yeah, it made Courtney dizzy too, so the two of us are like wicked dizzy getting off of it, but whew, it's rough.
That is not one for me. But I tell you what, Nikki, she was a trooper. She took the GoPro. How'd that go, Nikki?
Not good. I didn't know that the screen goes black. He films everything. So like I'm like, oh my god, halfway through the run, I'm hitting the button on and off and on and on. So I probably screwed it all up. I'm sorry, guys.
Not so easy holding the camera, is it, Nikki?
No, I never said it was. And that's why you do that job. I'm just the sidekick.
All right, but did you have a good time?
Yeah, it was great. It was a lot of fun. We had a blast with the people who we were on with.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so it was fun.
Sounds good. Well, let's move on to number 4 on our countdown. So here are the stats on Montu, number 4 on our list. It has a top speed of 65 miles per hour. It's 3,900 feet long with a duration of 3 minutes. You're gonna pull 3.8 Gs, and there are 7 inversions, which is bad news for Rick. You just got off of Montu. I would have gone myself. I just wanted to get some outside footage of the ride. Otherwise, I would have been on it. How was it?
It was awesome. It reminds me so much of Dueling Dragons.
Really?
Oh, yes, or Dragon Challenge. I miss it.
Yeah.
So it was really, really good. And I think I got footage this time. I didn't mess up.
Good. I just can't do those loops. Too many loops for Rick. I mean, the Hulk is fine. I have no problem with the Hulk roller coaster or like Rip Ride Rocket. But these inversions, where there are 6 or 7 inversions,
yeah.
I cannot handle it. But I can handle stuff like Sheikra I love, and what, like the Cheetah Chase or the Cheetah Hunt. But these with all the loops, Rick cannot do.
I love the loops. I don't like the drops.
So next up we have the Cobra Curse. Now this is a roller coaster Nikki and I have never been on before. So the top speed of this one is 40 miles per hour. The length is 2,165 feet, and it's a spinner coaster. Let's check this out.
The darkness awakens, my power grows.
Here we go, Nikki! First time!
There is no escape from the Cobra's curse.
Yeah! Thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, Nikki, half of this YouTubing thing is getting nice pictures in the background. What's behind us there?
Giraffe.
Right on. And here comes, oh, there goes
And
the
a roller coaster.
Yep, the Cobra's Curse. We just got off it for the first time.
Yes, it was so fun. Completely unexpected. Like I didn't know what it was like before we got on. I didn't look at it or anything. I just hopped on, and yeah, the whole backwards part, I was laughing hysterically. It was great.
Yeah, it was way more fun than I anticipated.
Yeah, I was laughing. I mean,
I was not one who was like really looking forward to this roller coaster, but it was really fun.
It honestly made me a little sick though. The backwards and the spin. That's just not, spinning is not my thing.
So it did do well coming in at number 3 on the list.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes again. So despite how fun it is, I don't think there's any way it could crack into the top 2.
Really?
No.
Okay.
You know why? Let's go visit the top 2 right now and you'll see why.
Really?
You said I could film you if you throw up. How you feeling, Nikki? How's roller coaster day treating you? She's afraid to open her mouth. Something might come out. Okay guys, number 2 on our list, Sheikra. Now, Nikki, you gonna sit this one out?
Yeah.
Why is that?
I don't like the drops. I'm like, I don't know.
That's a big drop, isn't it?
Yes, this one scares me to death. I mean, honestly.
Well, we'll give you a pass because you gave me a pass on the ones that go like upside down. The other loopy one makes me sick. So it's fair play. You can have a pass on this one. But you know what? Me and Courtney, we're gonna get on it right now.
Alright, have fun.
So here are some of the stats on the number 2 entry for National Roller Coaster Day here at Busch Gardens. Sheikra, 70 miles per hour is the top speed. The length is about 3,100 feet. The duration is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And on this ride, you're gonna pull 4 Gs. Uh-oh, I think they're gonna make us look down. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Okay guys, with Sheikra done, we're gonna head over to our number 1 coaster for the day here at Busch Gardens. We'll wait for the reveal. So here it is, number 1 on the list. The log flume. Just kidding, this isn't even a roller coaster. Let's get to number 1, stop messing around, Rick. And coming in at number 1 on today's list of best roller coasters at Busch Gardens Tampa, the Cheetah Hunt, which has been down for another weather delay, but looks like they're starting up again. So let's go ahead and hop on. So the Cheetah Hunt wait time is just 25 minutes. Not too bad. We got to put some stuff in the locker and go for a ride. Let's see if I can remember my facts. Top speed, 60 miles per hour. Length is going to be 4,400 feet. Time or duration is going to be around 3.5 minutes. You're going to pull 4 Gs on this ride, by the way, so I can't wait. Let's hop on it. Oh yeah! got off the Cheetah Hunt. Number 1 on the list. The weather broke just enough for us to take a ride, right?
Exactly. Thank goodness we got it in.
So what do you like about that ride, Nikki?
It's so smooth. It's, I mean, just, yeah, I love it. And it's long and it's got such pretty views. Oh, it's just, it's my favorite.
The launches, there's 3 launches on that ride.
Yeah, I saw stars once off of this, I think it was the second launch. Like you go up and then you go back down again really fast. Yeah, so I saw little stars.
The only issue I have with that ride, it's too far away. It needs to be in Orlando.
It does. We need one of those in Orlando.
I really love that ride. I just don't get to it enough.
Exactly. It's great.
Well, guys, there you have it. That's the list. Cheetah Hunt number 1. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, maybe you're a fan of that Cobra's Curse. That was pretty fun, right, Nick?
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Or if you're a fan of the big drops, maybe it was Sheikra number 1 for you guys. It was a tough call for me. You know what else was tough, Nikki?
What?
Doing this vlog.
Yes, the weather was not cooperating.
What happened? So there were these bands of weather would come through where the bad weather would be here, the rides would be shut down. And the frustrating part is when it would clear up, the rides wouldn't open up right away.
Right, and then if there was thunder in the area, they would shut it down, or lightning in the area.
Yeah.
They would shut it down again. So it's not a drop of rain, but they'll shut it down.
Very frustrating.
Yes, well, it's lucky that being that Disney and Universal have those inside rides to avoid that from happening, which is great. It's
I don't know,
smart.
is there any inside rides here? I think they're all out, as far as I know.
Yeah.
All outside.
It's
so
a great outside park.
it was a challenge. We made it through. We survived. You know what we're gonna do now though? We're gonna relax.
Yes.
If ever there's a time to relax, it's now. And with that being said, Nikki.
Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
And heck yeah, we're gonna go relax.